Now I'm back in InDesign. This is the panel in order to create a new file, new document. These are already the dimension I want to use today. I'm just starting with one page. These are the margins, bleed, and then you can start with. Now the first thing I want to do is to bring here the text I need to place in this page. I like to import the text at first. So Command D, this is the text. Okay, click and drag, here we go. So basically this is the first text. So even if I don't want to do that, but in this case, since the text is just a group of little chunks in each page, I prefer to, okay, here there is a mistake over here and over here. Okay, this is for the page number 2 and so on. So I will start with the page number 1. This text goes here. Okay, so trend watch, this is the whole story. Okay, then here I want to have the image. So basically, in order to have, I have two images. The idea is to have one rectangle and then another picture on top. So it is very simple. You can get this guy here. You can draw the rectangle you want. The only thing I ask you is to be consistent, if you can, with the columns and with the margin. For example, this way it's correct, and also with the bleed. And then you can make this guy black, but if I'm not wrong, is 90% black, no border. That's it. Again, these are my personal graphic suggestion. There is no rule. If you like other color, if you like other background, or even a pattern, feel free to do it. Then I want to import the image of the hands. So Command D again, or just to show you, File, Place. Finally, I got the hands, click and drag, and this is the image. I want this image to be larger than the rectangle on both sides. So I'm clicking on the image itself now, so I'm not selecting the box, but the image itself. Clicking here, you can see I can drag the image inside the box. And one of the commands I can apply to this image here is right click, adatta, riempi cornice proporzionalmente, fill the frame proportionally. And now the image became as big as possible in order to fill the frame. I'm nudging the image a little down in order to, maybe I can even go to here. Let me see, W. So in this case I need to make this even a little larger just to match this size. So again, okay, and then I'm nudging this gently like this. Okay, so this is the main image.